Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is Wakefield with another video. And what I want to talk to y'all today about is a real highly credible site where a lot of people, I repeat, a lot of people come to this site every single day to make money and to make fast money. All you got to do is just be active on this site every day. It could be a secret to some of y'all, but a lot of people do know about this site, but it's so much information, people move on to the next thing. But this site right here, InstaGC, is a very popular site for people who want to make some money. I mean, you can just do a lot with this site. You can shop, you can click on ads right there, surveys, take tasks, watch videos, try out free trials, and then you just redeem your money. You can either redeem cash or you can redeem gift cards. So, I mean, it's just a lot of different ways that you can make money right here. So, all you got to do is sign up for free because it is free to join. And all you got to do is just go through the tabs. See, go here, click on the ads, make money. Receive points by shopping. You can do surveys right there. Tasks, receive points by completing tasks. Receive points by signing up for free trials, videos. Don't forget, you receive 10 points for each person that signs up and confirm the email address, and you're also going to receive 10% of all earnings from all referrals, except for the bonuses they receive. So that's just huge. You see the rewards. You can get direct deposit, Bitcoin, PayPal, receive a Visa gift card, Visa debit card. And then in the gift card store, you see they just loaded. They got pages and pages of stuff that you can redeem your points for. So with that being said, I'm going to put a link below. I'm also going to put a link to my blog. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Peace.